Welcome back, everybody. I'm Mackenzie Fraser, Senior Vice President at EVR Advertising, and I'm here today to share 3 ways that you can use data-driven marketing for your senior living community in less than 3 minutes. In the competitive world of senior living, finding the right residents for your community requires more than traditional marketing. It takes data-driven strategies to stand out and connect with your audience. And it begins with gathering insights, from website activity and social media to CRM tools and analytics platforms. By analyzing customer behaviors and preferences, marketers can create ads that are more relevant and meaningful. So, where do you start? Number 1, personalize the customer journey. Start by using data to create personalized experiences. CRM software and website analytics can track customer behaviors like what pages they visited or what emails they opened. Use this information to deliver customized messages that resonate with their needs depending on what stage they're in. You can achieve this with tactics like retargeting display ads or Facebook ads, or with email list segmentation. If someone has visited your programs page a few times, target them with ads or emails inviting them to an activities and programs open house event. You're reaching the right people at the right time based on what they're interested in. So now it's time to make sure it's working. Number 2, optimize your marketing campaigns. Tools like Google Analytics or paid ad platforms let you track performance in real time. Monitor KPIs such as click-through rates, cost per lead, and conversions to understand what's working and what's not. Compare your results to industry or historical benchmarks from your own community and adjust your strategy if you aren't hitting your goals. By consistently refining your approach, you can allocate resources effectively and boost your ROI. And number 3, leverage predictive insights. Use predictive analytics to stay ahead of the curve. By analyzing historical data, you can forecast trends. This might give you insight on seasonal demand or popular amenities prospects are looking for, such as pickleball or IT suites with a full-time staff member. This will help you adjust your marketing strategies and messaging accordingly. Data-driven marketing doesn't just make your campaigns smarter, it helps you build lasting relationships with your most qualified prospects. Looking for a partner to help bring a more data-driven approach to your community's marketing efforts? We are here to help. Send me an email or give me a call to start a conversation. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.